I'm going to start now breaking up the eggs. So ouch! Ay, sorry guys. I need to separate the white from the egg yolk. Okay. My first time breaking up separating the egg yolk from the white. So I need to transfer here. I made mistake. So here's gonna be the. You need to look for a little more. Okay. Oh, there you go. Uy. Alis ka. There you go. That's good. Wow. Now I know the technique. There. Okay. Still cold the eggs. There you go. Galing ko ano. Wow. Perfect. Okay. One last. Perfect. Oh. Mix it slowly. Ay, sorry guys. I forgot the, what do you call this one? Tweezer. Ay, hindi ito tweezer. Yung tawag nito. Tongs. Ay, hindi naman to tongs. Then, the all-purpose cream. Kinagat na ako ng lamok. Sakit naman magat ang lamok dito. Mix lang. Then, I'll just pour it here, not all, because this might gonna be a very sweet leche flan. So, just be patient guys. You know, my first time making a leche flan here. I guess 1/2 of creamier condensed is good enough. So I'm going to reheat the white sugar here. Tablespoon. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then mix. Until it brown. Am I right, little? Wow. Absolutely. So hi guys, this is now the leche flan. Already cooked. Then we're going to transfer this one to the plate. But this is already done. Leaking here at the side. There you go. Okay, this is the plate now. I'm going to put this one on top so I can flip over the let's see fly. Hi guys, this is it guys. And then it deformed because the container, the one that I use is big. Then supposed to be I need to use the small one. Supposed to be I'm going to use the Lanera, but I don't have Lanera, so sorry for that guys. Better luck next time. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to try. Going to eat guys my product. Wow, very yummy, so delicious. Wow, so soft. Wow, sarap. Let's eat. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day.